Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, it is an honor to introduce Mrs. Lily Sandwell, an esteemed scholar in international affairs and a tireless advocate for peace. Her extensive research on racism and commitment to justice have made a profound impact globally, influencing policies and fostering understanding. Today, Mrs. Sandwell will be discussing the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and honoring his remarkable contribution to world peace. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to Mrs. Lily Sandwell. Mrs. Sandwell, the floor is yours.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow advocates for peace, thank you for the warm introduction. It is an honor to speak to you today about an extraordinary figure whose life and teachings continue to inspire us and to highlight his significant contributions to world peace. Martin Luther King Jr., a beacon of hope and justice, had a profound impact on the civil rights movement in the United States. However, his vision and influence extended far beyond national borders, encompassing a global perspective on peace, justice, and equality. King's unwavering belief in the interconnectedness of humanity and his commitment to nonviolence laid a crucial foundation for lasting world peace. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, he saw nonviolent resistance as a powerful tool for addressing injustice and oppression. His advocacy for nonviolence wasn't just a strategy for civil rights in America. It was a universal principle that resonated with people worldwide. King's concept of the beloved community extended beyond national borders, promoting a global society where individuals of all races, religions, and cultures could live in harmony and mutual respect. He believed that recognizing our shared humanity and fostering unity were essential for achieving true peace. King was a vocal critic of the Vietnam War and militarism, emphasizing that true peace required more than the absence of war. It required justice, equality, and the elimination of systemic oppression. In his famous speech at Riverside Church in New York City, he condemned the war and called for an end to violence and militarism. He believed that resources should be used to uplift humanity rather than fuel conflict, contributing to a vision of lasting peace. Another crucial aspect of King's advocacy was economic justice. He understood that poverty and economic inequality were root causes of conflict. His vision of the beloved community included economic policies that ensured fairness, equity, and access to opportunities for all people. By addressing economic injustices, King laid the groundwork for a more peaceful and just world. King's character was defined by integrity, courage, and unwavering commitment to justice. Despite facing personal attacks, threats, and even imprisonment, he consistently responded with dignity and nonviolence. His interactions with others, including his adversaries, were marked by respect and a desire to build bridges of understanding. One of King's remarkable qualities was his ability to inspire and mobilize people for the cause of justice. He led numerous peaceful protests and campaigns, including the Montgomery bus boycott and the March on Washington. These nonviolent actions were pivotal in achieving significant social and political change, demonstrating his commitment to peace. To all of us aspiring to follow Martin Luther King Jr.'s example, here are some key takeaways for our daily lives. First and foremost, it's essential to embrace nonviolence. Commit to resolving conflicts through peaceful means and practice patience, dialogue, and understanding to find nonviolent solutions. Next, stand for justice. Advocate for justice within your community by addressing inequalities and standing up against unfair treatment in all its forms. Cultivate empathy by developing a deep understanding of others' experiences and offering support to those in need. It's also crucial to promote unity by focusing on what unites us rather than what divides us. Seek common ground with others, regardless of differences in background, beliefs, or opinions. Practice forgiveness by letting go of grudges and moving forward with a positive attitude, paving the way for healing and reconciliation. Engage in continuous learning by educating yourself about social justice issues, history, and the experiences of others. This ongoing education enhances your understanding and equips you to advocate for positive change. Commit to acts of service and kindness, supporting those in need, volunteering in your community, and contributing to the well-being of others. Live with integrity by aligning your actions with your values. Be honest, trustworthy, and ethical in all your dealings, as integrity builds credibility and respect. Be resilient by persevering in the face of challenges and setbacks, staying committed to your principles and goals even when the path is difficult. Finally, dream big. Hold on to your vision for a better world and work diligently towards achieving it. Your vision can serve as a guiding light for your actions and inspire others to join you in striving for positive change. By incorporating these lessons from Martin Luther King Jr.'s life into our daily practice, we can contribute to creating a more just and peaceful world. In conclusion, Martin Luther King Jr.'s life and teachings remain a powerful source of inspiration for peace practitioners today. His commitment to nonviolence, economic justice, global brotherhood, and human rights provides a comprehensive framework for promoting lasting world peace. By integrating his lessons into our daily lives and efforts, we can continue his legacy and work towards a more just and harmonious world. Let us embrace King's vision with hope, determination, and a commitment to positive change. Together, we can create a brighter future for all. Thank you.